Hey everyone, this is part 2 of how to make a duct tape wallet. In the first video, I showed you how to make the beginning of the wallet, so it should look like this, except you have to cut these side edges. Not these, because they're perfect already. They're straight. These, okay? Doesn't matter if they're exactly perfect. But then you're going to fold it in half. And you're going to put it down. Measure how many inches long it is. Mine is about 4, so I'm going to do 5 inches of duct tape. Here's one 5-inch, and hold on. And 2 5-inches.
Let's remember why we're here. Let's take a moment to say good thoughts to Olivia's classes.
So what you're gonna do, you're gonna take the edge, hold on.
Okay, middle and high. Let's give it up for our cheerleader.
And this hit on the edge. So it's like this. So I tried to do it perfectly halfway, but if you didn't, that's fine. And then you're gonna fold the sticky part down. Repeat that on the other side. Okay, next, you're gonna cut these little edgy things, these flowers.
If you don't have an iPhone, you don't have AirPlay, which makes it easy to play music from your phone on your stereo.
Do that for all the edges. Excuse me.
And if you want to share your favorite movie,
One more.
that's easy too. AirPlay, just one more thing that makes an iPhone an iPhone.
Now you have the inside. Now notice that this little thing doesn't let you open it the whole way. You can either tear that or cut it. It's easy to tear because see the difference down. This opens up all the way, this doesn't. So you're just going to tear both sides. Okay. So you now have where you hold your money. Fold it like this. Hamburger. Right? Okay, yeah, hamburger, right? That was right, the corner. To get a little bit more. Like that. In the next video, I will teach you how to make the pockets that we will be using. So, yeah. For the next video, we'll need, preferably, you might prefer a different color, so you can see where you're putting your stuff. And you're gonna need tape measure, scissors, your duct tape, and some sort of gift card. Doesn't matter what kind. So, bye guys.